have finally started my workout routine that you have designed individually for me.
Terrific! How are you feeling about it?
I find it quite effective. However, I have noticed that I have to balance my diet in order to have enough energy to do those exercises.
Definitely, a proper diet will help you achieve better results. Oh yeah, TZ, you'll have to cut down on your buns and other full of sugar products.
I know, I have a weakness for products containing lots of sugar. I know a lot of recipes to satisfy my sweet tooth. But you know, these products have a very low nutritional value though. You feel energetic for some time, but later you feel hungry again.
What healthy products have you tried to incorporate in your daily menu?
What really makes you full of beans is food containing lots of minerals and protein, like meat and vegetables.
Vegetables! That's a great choice. I love vegetables. I actually have an easy to make salad recipe which will provide you with the essential elements.
So today we're going to exchange healthy and easy to make recipes.
Yes, let's start our healthy meal battle.
Woohoo!
And for this purpose, I'm wearing my apron today.
Oh, it looks so beautiful. It has so many different kitchen tools on it. And look
Yes,
at mine.
Can I see yours? Oh, you look like a cook on the ship.
Okay. All right, so then let's start. The floor is yours.
I called my healthy dish a vitamin bomb, which is basically an avocado and fried bacon salad.
Oh, do you know, Jay, that avocado is considered to be a fruit, not a vegetable?
I've heard about that. However, I still call it my favorite veggie.
Anyway, I'm eager to find out more about your miraculous salad. So, what ingredients does it have?
Okay, so here are my ingredients. So first of all, of course, you will need a huge ripe avocado, a hard-boiled egg, bacon, thinly sliced bacon, a stem of celery, a few onion sprigs, a half of a long cucumber, lemon juice, some canned corn, and some seasoning too. This yellow thing which is called a turmeric, a pinch of salt, black pepper, and to cover everything up with the organic sesame oil.
Great. So, these are the ingredients. What
Yes.
about the run?
Okay, so firstly, I fry the bacon on the frying pan until it's crispy and crunchy.
Oh, frying pan. I see one on your apron.
Yes, I have it here. This is the frying pan. And I've got more tools here, such as a pot, a chopping board, a spatula, a whisk, and a peeler. Can you see?
Oh, looks very informative.
It is.
Okay, what comes next?
Okay, so while the bacon is getting ready, I cut this avocado in 2 pieces, take the seed out and scoop it up. I rip the onion spring into small pieces. I slice up the cucumber and cut up the stem of the celery. Then I toss some corn and I peel off and cut up the egg and add the seasoning, the turmeric, salt, black pepper, and then a few tablespoons of sesame oil. And mix everything up. That's it.
So, where is your dish?
Oh, I forgot to show you my dish. Here we go.
Oh, it already makes my mouth watery. So it seems like a very easy and fast to make dish.
Yes, it is. And I'm very curious to find out about your healthy dish.
Okay, my dish for today is called a healthy sandwich. And now
Wow.
I'm going to share with you the ingredients that actually I need for my sandwich. So the first thing that you'll have to have 2 slices of whole grain bread that later you're going to actually toast. Next, you will need an avocado. You will need 1 big tomato. You'll need a leaf of lettuce, mozzarella cheese. You will need turkey breast, and of course, black pepper and salt. So these are the ingredients for my sandwich.
By the way, TZ, did you know that tomatoes are more beneficial when cooked?
Oh, Miss Know-It-All, you know everything. A very interesting fact, by the way.
Yes, it is. Okay, so how do you make your sandwich?
Alright, it's not time consuming at all. It takes approximately 5 minutes to make it. So, first of all, you have to toast bread. And after, I already did that. I have 2 slices of toast bread. Then I take 1 piece and I have to take my avocado. Of course, you have to peel it, to cut it into slices, and later on you have to take a fork and mash it until you get a creamy substance. So after that, I have to cover my toast with avocado. Have to spread it over like this. Okay. The second step is to take lettuce and put it on the top. After that, I have to take my thin slice of turkey breast and put it on top of the lettuce leaf. Then I have to cut 2 thin slices of mozzarella cheese and put it evenly on top of my turkey breast. And then I have to take a tomato and also cut 2 thin slices that I'll be able to put on the top of my mozzarella cheese. So basically these are going to be layers. And the final point will be to sprinkle the top of tomatoes with black pepper and add a pinch of salt. And the final point, I have to cover my sandwich with another toast. So here you go. I got this wonderful healthy sandwich.
Oh, I can't resist taking a bite of it now.
Oh, you wish. Hum.
All right, Izzy, it's time to eat our healthy meal.
Yes, LJ, but the last but not the least thing that I want to mention is, of course, a drink, a complimentary drink that has to go together with our meal. Yes? And what about, did you make one for your dish?
Yes, I have prepared the perfect match for my rich salad. It's red grapefruit juice.
Oh, okay. And what goes perfectly well with my sandwich would be a hot ginger, honey, cinnamon drink that I have here. So it can be a wonderful addition to this sandwich to have it as your breakfast, for example.
All right, and my meal is more suitable for afternoon or maybe dinner or lunch because it's so rich.
Okay, great.
I can't take it anymore. Eating time. Chop, chop, lollipop.
I agree. Let's enjoy our meal. So enjoy it. And in an hour, sunflower.